Imagine a world where tracking your vehicle requires no physical device. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of vehicle tracking at MassTrack, leveraging your car's internal systems for seamless monitoring. No hardware needed, no install needed, just live tracking and vehicle monitoring. OEM integration is revolutionizing vehicle tracking. By using your vehicle's internal systems, you can track its location effortlessly. No installation or setup is needed. Just enter your VIN and start tracking within minutes. MassTrack's partnership with major manufacturers like Ford, GM, Dodge, Ram, Toyota, and Tesla make this technology possible. These collaborations allow seamless integration, turning your vehicle into its own tracking device. To activate tracking, simply register your vehicle's VIN on the MassTrack platform. Registration is simple and just requires the VIN and ownership information. This straightforward process ensures that your vehicle is ready to be tracked without any additional hardware. Monitor your vehicle's location and usage without any hardware. This innovation reduces costs and boosts efficiency for businesses while enhancing safety and peace of mind for families. Imagine the convenience of tracking without devices. Businesses can streamline operations like monitoring fuel usage or vehicle charge levels. Families can ensure driver safety like monitoring speed or airbag deployment, all while cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Visit our website to see if your vehicle is supported. Register your VIN, and within minutes, experience the ease of device-free tracking. It's that simple to start monitoring your vehicle today. Join the future of vehicle tracking. By embracing the MassTrack technology, you'll enjoy unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. Start your journey with MassTrack today and transform how you track your vehicles and manage your fleet.